Hey, what is up, everybody? And okay, why am I talking like that? Hey, what is up, everybody? And today in YEEPS is the today is the YEEPS update where they added the. That's right, you heard me. They added the. And it can turn on. Also, you might notice something right now. Follow me. I'm using the new camera they just added. And they also had something else, this ball. And you follow the ball. You follow the ball. See the ball? Oh, it's invisible in the mobile. So you can't see it. Yeah, you can't see it. There's the ball. And with that, and I think they. Oh yeah. I know what else they added. I completely forgot. You can't blame me. It's upside down. Hey, no! Get it back! Give it back! Give it! Okay, so the way that the zone copier block would work was you put it down here, right? And then you take, and then just imagine you're like in a creative world, right? And then you're like, wow, I really like this build and I want to have it. You're like, wow, I really like this build and I want to have it. But I don't want to rebuild it because I'm lazy. So you take the zone copier right here, and you grab this corner piece, and you adjust it so if the entire thing is in this box, and you press copy, and set copy, and then you would take the zone copier and your other map like ooper dooper, and you'd be like, alright, time to paste my build. And it says paste zone with number blocks. And I don't know if you can see this. No. But it shows you the zone that you're gonna want to paste. So with the very Sigma thing right here, it shows that, but in small cloud blocks so you can kind of see what you're pasting. And you grab the check and it pastes it right there for you. You successfully stole someone's build that took them like 5 vigintillion hours to make. And this is also a perfect time to show you the so the way that this beauty works is you take the chainsaw, you pull this, pull it hard. If it doesn't work, pull it again, pull it again, pull it again, pull it again, pull it. And then you're like, I don't want this. And it works like a bat and pillows. So this is wood, right? This is wood. If I were to take a normal bat and hit it, oh no, it's not breaking. If I took the chainsaw and hit it, look at that. It ceases to exist. So what am I gonna do with this? Yeah. So what am I gonna do with this? what I could do with your face. That's the update. And I think they already patched this, but if you were to take the chainsaw and then start it before you go to map, if you went into the other map, the chainsaw would still be on in the map. And this could be bad because if you turn it on in Playground and then went to Wilds 1, then you could destroy stuff. Because it won't let you turn it on in a Wilds, in a public Wilds, but then if you were to go to private, you could turn it on. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back to killing kids with my new chainsaw.
Wow, what the hell?